In this video, I'm going to talk about boosting Shopify sales with Cloud AI. So, how can you use Cloud AI to boost your Shopify sales if you're a merchant, and the features of Cloud AI that can help you to achieve these? So, let's look into the video. So, Cloud AI, as you know, it's a powerful AI agent. Okay, so what it can do is it's an AI powered personalization. It can help you to increase your conversions. So what does it means is that Cloud can analyze customer data like the browsing behaviors, the purchase history, or the cart actions, okay, and generate personalized offers, recommendations, messaging, and on site content that speaks directly to individual visitors' interest. Okay, so this personalization can increase the engagement, the average order value, and conversion rates by showing the right products to the right people at the right time. Okay, this will help you boost your Shopify sales. Okay, so for example, okay, a returning customer like browsers like backpacks or camping gears. Okay, so Cloud uses browsing data to generate a dynamic banner. So it will like suggest like explore more camping essentials and save 10% on it in that ways, so the result, this will help you like encourage the shopper to click through it and then try to engage in a purchase or something like that. So this way it can help you to boost your sales. Okay, so this personalization by Cloud AI can actually help you to achieve these. Another way how you can use Cloud to boost your sales is that by the AI chatbots and shopping assistants for real-time conversions. So which means the interactive assistants like either via the Shopify inbox or custom chat box or integration using the cloud that answers questions. Okay, it makes recommendations and guide customers through the buying process all in real time. So this can actually help because often customers hesitate less when questions are answered instantly. Okay, so this will help like reduce the abandonment and increases checkout completions, particularly for high consideration products. So for example, a shopper is unsure about size or shipping time. Okay, so what happens, the chatbot powered by Cloud AI answers instantly, like our for example our backpacks fit laptops up to 16 inches and ships within 24 hours. Okay, so these type of so what happens when you do this, like it will reduce the customer's uncertainty, and it will help you with higher order rates. Okay, so this can be achieved by integrating AI chatbots, like especially cloud chatbots on Shopify. And another way how you can use Cloud AI is through the automated high quality content and SEO. Okay, so what it means is Cloud helps generate SEO optimized product description, okay, or blog post or even FAQs using the structured data like product meta fields. So how it helps is that if you have a better content, the search ranking will increase and there will be more organic traffic, which means the chances for more sales. Okay, so good description also leads to higher conversion rates because customer understands value and benefits clearly. Okay, for example, a description like casual leather belt brown, just a normal one, but the cloud generated can be premium full grain leather belt, durable, stylish, adjustable. So you see the difference. So this can help you to bring in more traffic and increased sales and increased sales rate for you. So you can simply use Cloud AI here to generate, you can simply generate or chat with natural language and Cloud AI. Okay, once you're on a website, and then generate the product descriptions through Cloud AI. You can actually type in for Cloud, type in prompts like how you normally do on ChatGPT and stuff. Just type in the prompts and get the description, like ask for description from Cloud AI, right? Then another ways how you can like increase sales is by through the AI driven analytics and decision support. Okay, so Cloud actually can interpret data using like Shopify's QL, like the query language, to show where traffic and conversions are coming from, like including whether AI search traffic, and then translate it into strategy recommendations. So so how it so this can actually boost sales because it's rather than guessing, Cloud quickly tells you what's working, what's not working, and where to invest next. So which is pretty much helpful for you. So for example, you run a Shopify query. So Cloud actually identifies a surprising source like traffic from AI powered search doubled last month. So it recommends content and products that match the traffic pattern. So that way you can increase your sales, boost your sales. Okay. So this is one way. So that's another way how you can use the cloud's features on your Shopify to boost your sales. Okay. The next one you can is the dynamic inventory and pricing strategies from Cloud AI, which means like Cloud AI, like it forecasts the demand trends. So it can predict the trends, it can adjust the pricing, and can suggest promotions based on marketplace behavior and stock levels. Okay, all quickly and without manual spreadsheets. So if you can so you can use Cloud AI to get these data. You can just chat with Cloud AI and get this data, so it can actually boost your sales because it reduces like lost sales due to stockouts. It prevents overstock and dead inventories, and I just offers to maximize margins on hot items. Okay, so in that ways, like it will help you to boost your sales. Okay, so you know like for example, like in an example scenario, Cloud can predict spike in demand for rain gear next week. Okay, so for next week they said there might be a demand, so it will suggest you launching a limited time discount ahead of competitors, and you automatically update pricing with AI insights. So these are the things that you can do, and this will help you to boost your sales. Okay, and next, how you can use some other ways is the AI generated marketing campaigns and ads from Cloud. So Cloud can brainstorm and write target ad copy or email campaigns or even social campaigns for social media and promotional materials based on product insights, audience segments, and seasonal trends. So this will help you to boost sales by by having a higher quality messaging leads to improved mail open rates and low cost per acquisition. So you can use Cloud to like draft all these email campaigns and captions, and for especially for social media and all those things. Okay, and another one, or the farmer ways which we're going to use Cloud AI to boost sales, is by using the improved stock UX and searchability. So Cloud actually can identify SEO improvements and suggest structural enhancements to make your Shopify store more AI discoverable. So it has a better metadata, clear categories, and semantic structure, which will help not only human search but also AI search systems too. So, as an AI assistant like Cloud, as Cloud is itself, it's an AI assistant. Okay, like or even like Chat GPTs or other Google AI, they show recommendations and a well-structured store which is more likely to surface in AI search results, because many people will be using these days like AI searches. Okay, so in that way it can help you to increase organic traffic and brand visibility through AI platforms. So these are the ways how you can increase your or boost your sales through Cloud AI by using its features.